hear? What do you hear? He was watching television and heard something. Did you hear something? What was it? Is somebody here? Ranch, there's nobody out there. Ranch. What is it? What is it? Tell me about it. Was it... Did somebody walk by the house maybe? They did? Yeah? Well, tell me about it. Oh my goodness. Ranch. Who is it? Well, tell me about it. Ranch. Was it... Are you a movie star? Yeah. Well, he heard something on television and he started barking. He did this one time. He saw himself in the mirror. He'll sit on the back of Clay's chair if he knows Clay's coming home and wait for him. Maybe he thinks Clay's coming home. Daddy's home! Daddy's home! Is Daddy home? Daddy's home! Daddy's home! I shouldn't do that. Because he's not home. Uh-oh. I'm going to be in big trouble for that one. Dog was sleeping here in Clay's chair. Daddy's home! Daddy's home! He usually gets all excited. No, he's not. I'm sorry. He's not home. I don't ever do that to him. I usually don't just play, but see how he acts if he thinks Clay's home. He looks for him. He waits for him on the back of the chair every day. It's so cute. He's not home yet. Later. He knows a lot. He's this really smart dog. Terriers are the best. He's half beagle, half toy fox terrier. I guess they call him a toy fox beagle, but he's funny. A designer mutt dog. Oh! They have that unique bark, though, anyway. Okay, guys. That's the dog. He is the love of our lives. And he even has his own cat. Because one of the cats likes him, but the cat doesn't let anyone touch him but the dog. So the Branch has his own cat. All the cats love the dog. It's the funniest thing. Except for Olive. My cat Olive, she hisses at him. She doesn't like him. She tolerates him. Branch, he's not home. I'm sorry. I won't do that again. That wasn't nice. Okay, he's on the lookout, waiting to see who's coming and who's going. He's on Daddy's chair. Oh, there he is. That's somewhere else. He'll sit sometimes. He'll usually sit with me, but when it gets close to Clay getting home, he usually finds himself on the back of the chair. Did I say Clay? Did I say Daddy? Are you smart? Yes, you are. Okay, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.